Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the inner pot in and verifying the sealing ring is correctly seated. This prevents steam leaks and pressure failures. Once done, plug the unit into a grounded outlet and confirm the display shows model and firmware status. Update if prompted to ensure safety and feature access. Make sure you measure liquids against the inner pot markings. Overfilling can block vents while underfilling risks burning. Now select a cooker function to begin the program cycle. You add liquids first so heat distributes evenly and food doesn't stick. Then place solids on top, keeping dense items lower for uniform cooking. Next, choose the program, select mode, set the temperature and pressure level, and program the timer. This controls texture and doneness. Once the cycle completes, decide between quick release for rapid stop or natural release to finish carryover cooking. Each affects tenderness and moisture retention. Finally, lock the lid and you wait until pressure is fully released, then open the lid away from your face to avoid steam burns. This protects you and preserves texture. Once opened, stir gently and check internal temperature. Adjust with sauté or extra minutes if needed. If the cooker shows an error or won't pressurize, unplug it, reseat the sealing ring, wipe vents clear, and try again. These steps fix 90% of common issues. If problems persist, contact support with the model and error code ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.